So other than this dance, everything, what is the DMT facilitator?
So, dance movement therapy is a very unique way of connecting your mind and body, basically. ಸೊ ನಾವು ಜನರಲಿ ಇವಾಗ ನಮ್ಗೆ ಏನಾರ ಥಾಟ್ಸ್ ಬರುತ್ತೆ, ನಮ್ಗೆ ಎಮೋಷನ್ಸ್ ಇರತ್ತೆ, ಲೈಕ್ ಕೋಪ ಬರುತ್ತೆ, ಆರ್ ಸಿಟ್ಟಾಗತ್ತೆ, ಬೇಜಾರಾಗತ್ತೆ, ಆ ಥರ ಎಲ್ಲ ಎಮೋಷನ್ಸ್ ಬಂದಾಗ ವಿ ವೋಂಟ್ ನೋ ಹೌ ಟು ರಿಯಾಕ್ಟ್ ಟು ಇಟ್ ಆರ್ ರೆಸ್ಪಾಂಡ್ ಟು ಇಟ್, ಬಟ್ our body will be actually telling us, like, how to respond. But in a general lifestyle namge adar connection iralla. What we do is we try to connect the mind and body so that at any point of time your body is able to tell you what you're supposed to do or how you can go about it. So that is the way we do. It is a general therapy, but in a movement structure, in a creative structure. We do. Usually therapy andre vocal, verbal therapy irate. They just sit and talk. But idralli we make people move and we make them use their body while they're in therapy, and we try to make them understand, a lot of aspects about themselves, so that they'll be able to live a better life or have a better well-being.
Okay. What made you to take up this course?
ಸೊ ನಾನು ಮಾಸ್ಟರ್ಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ ವಿ ಹ್ಯಾಡ್ ಟು ಡೂ ಅ ಥೀಸಿಸ್, and I want to do something different, so I was just researching about different things. That is when I came to know about this concept called dance movement therapy, but adu thesis ge it was not applicable at that time, so I took a different topic and I finished my masters. But this thought was always there with me because I also have an interest towards psychology in general, and I used to always read about these topics about psychology or watch some videos. So when masters admele I wanted to do something more along with the classes that I'm doing. Maybe e course madadre it will give me more idea about how I can improve my teaching, maybe, or how I can help other people around me anta ankondu I decided to do this as a certification, and I got my certification last year from Simta.
Congratulations. What is the duration of this course?
It's actually about a year agate. We will have classes for about, I think, 8 to 9 months. Adadmele we'll have to do an internship for 60 hours. So 60 hours mugudmele we'll have to submit a report to the institute, and after all that criteria is done and they give us their feedback, adadmele once we get our certificates, then we start doing session privately.
Okay. Aruna, ನೀವು ಹೇಳಿದ್ರಿ you have done 60 hours of internship for this DMT course anta. So how did you do? Like, where did you do?
ಸೊ ನಮ್ಗೆ ಹೇಳಿದ್ದು ಟ್ರೈ ಟು ಕವರ್ ಡಿಫ್ರೆಂಟ್ ಏಜ್ ಗ್ರೂಪ್ಸ್ ಅಂತ, ಬಿಕಾಸ್ ಇಂಟರ್ನ್ಶಿಪ್ ಇಸ್ ದ ಫೇಸ್ ವೇರ್ ವಿ ಲರ್ನ್, ಪ್ರಾಕ್ಟಿಕಲ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪೀರಿಯನ್ಸ್ ನಮ್ಗೆ ಸೆಷನ್ಸ್ ಮಾಡೋದಾಗತ್ತೆ. ಸೊ ಟ್ರೈ ಡಿಫ್ರೆಂಟ್ ಏಜ್ ಗ್ರೂಪ್. ಸೊ ಒನ್ಸ್ ಯು ಫಿನಿಶ್ ಯುವರ್ ಇಂಟರ್ನ್ಶಿಪ್ ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ಯಾವ ಸೆಕ್ಟರ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ನೀವು ಕೆಲಸ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು ನಿಮಗೆ ಐಡಿಯಾ ಇರತ್ತೆ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರು. ಸೊ ಅದೇ ಐಡಿಯಾ ಇಟ್ಕೊಂಡು ಐ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಸ್ಟಾರ್ಟೆಡ್ ವಿತ್ ಅನ್ ಓಲ್ಡ್ ಏಜ್ ಹೋಮ್. ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಐ ಡಿಡ್ ಅಬೌಟ್ 30 hours. ಒನ್ ವರ್ ನಾನ್ ಮೊಬೈಲ್ ಪೇಷಂಟ್ಸ್, ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಅವರು ಇಲ್ಲ ವೀಲ್ ಚೇರ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಓಡಾಡ್ತಿದ್ರು ಅಷ್ಟೇ, ಅಂಡ್ ಎದ್ದು ನಿಂತ್ಕೊಂಡು ಓಡಾಡಕ್ ಆಗ್ತಾ ಇರ್ಲಿಲ್ಲ ಅವ್ರಿಗೆ. ಅದರ್ಸ್ ವರ್ ಏಬಲ್ ಟು ಮೂವ್ ಬಟ್ ವೆರಿ ಲಿಮಿಟೆಡ್. ಸೊ ಆ ಏಜ್ ಗ್ರೂಪ್ ಇಂದ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಸ್ಟಾರ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದು. ಅಲ್ಲಿಂದ ಐ ವೆಂಟ್ ಡೈರೆಕ್ಟ್ಲಿ ಟು ಕಿಡ್ಸ್ ಆಫ್ ಏಜ್ ಬಿಟ್ವೀನ್ 8 to 14 years. It was also summer time, so ಅವ್ರಿಗೆ ಸಮ್ಮರ್ ವೆಕೇಶನ್ಸ್ ಇತ್ತು. ಸೊ ಸಮ್ಮರ್ ಕ್ಯಾಂಪ್ ಕಾನ್ಸೆಪ್ಟ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಮಾಡಿ ಅವ್ರಿಗೆ 12 hours ಆಫ್ ಇಂಟರ್ನ್ಶಿಪ್ ಮಕ್ಳ ಜೊತೆ ವರ್ಕ್ ಮಾಡಿದೆ. ಆಫ್ಟರ್ ದಟ್ ಐ ವರ್ಕ್ ವಿತ್ ಅ ಸ್ಪೋರ್ಟ್ಸ್ ಅಕಾಡೆಮಿ. ಅಲ್ಲಿನ ಕೋಚಸ್ಗೆ ದೇ ವಾಂಟೆಡ್ ಟು expand on their like communicative skills and creative skills. So ಅವ್ರಿಗೆ ಆ ಕಾನ್ಸೆಪ್ಟ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ವರ್ಕ್ ಮಾಡಿದೆ. ಇನ್ ಫ್ಯೂ ಅವರ್ಸ್ about 4 to 5 hours ನಂಗೆ ಇನ್ನೂ ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಬ್ಯಾಲೆನ್ಸ್ ಇತ್ತು. ಸೊ ಐ ಡಿಡ್ ವರ್ಕ್ಶಾಪ್ with in apartments and in a dance studio open to like general public, and ಅವ್ರಿಗೆ 2 hours ಮಾಡಿ I finished my internship. And
Okay.
my supervisor was always there. After every session we had to come back to go back to our supervisor and convey, like, you know, ಈ ತರ ಮಾಡಿದ್ವಿ, ಈ ತರ ರಿಪೋರ್ಟ್ ಬಂತು, ಈ ತರ ಅವ್ರದ್ದು ರೆಸ್ಪಾನ್ಸ್ ಇತ್ತು ಅಂತ ಪರ್ ಸೆಷನ್ಗೂ ನಾವು ನೋಟ್ಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡು we had to submit to our supervisor. So they were always guiding us, like, you know, to what approach to take with every session or every group of age group, because ಒಬ್ರೊಬ್ರು ಒಂದೊಂದ್ ತರ ಇರ್ತಾರೆ. So yeah, almost different adults, kids, older generation people, ಎಲ್ಲ ಏಜ್ ಗ್ರೂಪ್ಸ್ ಕವರ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ವಿ.
ಓಕೆ ಓಕೆ, ಇಟ್ಸ್ ವೆರಿ ಇಂಟ್ರೆಸ್ಟಿಂಗ್. ಇವಾಗ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಓಲ್ಡ್ ಏಜ್ ಹೋಮ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಯು ಡಿಡ್ ಇಂಟರ್ನ್ಶಿಪ್ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರಿ. ಸೊ ವಾಟ್ ವಿಲ್ ಬಿ ದ ಔಟ್ಕಮ್? ಸಿ, ಮಕ್ಕಳದ್ದು ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರೆ ಐ ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಸಮ್ ಹೌ ರಿಲೇಟ್, ಲೈಕ್ ಅವ್ರದ್ದು ಇನ್ಹೆರೆಂಟ್ ಕ್ವಾಲಿಟೀಸ್ ಏನು ಅಥವಾ ಅಕ್ವೈರ್ಡ್ ಕ್ವಾಲಿಟೀಸ್ ಏನಿದೆ, ಸಮ್ ಹೌ ಐ ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ರಿಲೇಟ್. ಬಟ್ ಓಲ್ಡ್ ಏಜ್ ಅವ್ರಿಗೆ ಯಾವ ತರ, ವಾಟ್ ವಿಲ್ ಬಿ ದ ಔಟ್ಕಮ್ ಫಾರ್ ದಮ್?
ಸೊ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಔಟ್ಕಮ್ ಅನ್ನೋದಕ್ಕಿಂತ ವಾಟ್ ಐ ಡಿಡ್ ವಾಸ್, ಫಸ್ಟ್ ನಾನು ಸೆಷನ್ ಸ್ಟಾರ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡೋಕ್ಕಿಂತ ಮುಂಚೆ ಒಂದ್ ದಿವಸ ಹೋಗ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಅವ್ರ ಜೊತೆ ಮಾತಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡು ಬಂದೆ, ಟು ಸಿ ವಾಟ್ ಬ್ಯಾಕ್ ಗ್ರೌಂಡ್ ದೇ ಕೇಮ್ ಫ್ರಮ್ ಅಂಡ್ ವಾಟ್ ಇಸ್ ದ ರೀಸನ್ ದೇ ಆರ್ ಸ್ಟೇಯಿಂಗ್ ಇನ್ ಅನ್ ಓಲ್ಡ್ ಏಜ್ ಹೋಮ್ ರೈಟ್ ನೌ, ಹೌ ಇಸ್ ದೇರ್ ಒಂಥರ ಎಮೋಷನಲ್ ಸ್ಟೇಟ್ ರೈಟ್ ನೌ, ಹೆಂಗಿದೆ, ಆರ್ ದೇ ಹ್ಯಾಪಿ ಬೀಯಿಂಗ್ ಹಿಯರ್, or you know, for some people it was like maneli tumba issues ಆಗ್ತಾ ಇತ್ತು, that's why the mothers were and the fathers were at the old age home. So aurge it was like they wanted some emotional support and that confidence, saying, you know, it's okay, and anything we would say, they were like, ಇನ್ನೆಷ್ಟು ದಿವಸ ಇದೆ ನಮ್ಗೆ, ನಾವಿರೇನ್ ಹೋಗ್ತೀವಿ, ಆ ತರ ದೇ ಹ್ಯಾಡ್ ಅ ವೆರಿ ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ನೆಗೆಟಿವ್ ಥಾಟ್ಸ್ ಇರ್ತಾ ಇತ್ತು. ಸೊ ಜಸ್ಟ್ ದಟ್ ಅಶ್ಯೂರೆನ್ಸ್, ಯು ನೋ, ಅಂಡ್ ನಾವ್ ಆಕ್ಟಿವಿಟೀಸ್ ಹೆಂಗ್ ಪ್ಲಾನ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ವಿ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಇಟ್ ವಾಸ್ ವೆರಿ ಪ್ಲೇಫುಲ್. ಅಂಡ್ ಅವರು ಇಷ್ಟು ವರ್ಷ ಏನ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡ್ ಬಂದಿದ್ದಾರೆ ಆ ತರ, ಲೈಕ್, ಯು ನೋ, ಪಾತ್ರೆ ತೊಳೆಯೋದಿರ್ಬೋದು, ಬಟ್ಟೆ ಒಗೆಯೋದು, ಅವ್ರ ಅಡ್ಗೆ ಮಾಡೋದು, something that they can relate to, or ಹಬ್ಬಕ್ಕೆ ಒಬ್ಬಟ್ಟು ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ. ಸೊ ಆ ತರ ಸ್ಮಾಲ್ ಥಿಂಗ್ಸ್, ಆ ತರ ಕಾನ್ಸೆಪ್ಟ್ಸ್ ಇಟ್ಕೊಂಡು, ಆ ತರ ಆಕ್ಟಿವಿಟೀಸ್ ರಿಲೇಟೆಡ್ ಇಟ್ಕೊಂಡು ಮಾಡಿದಾಗ, ಅಂಡ್ ಲೈಕ್ ಬಾಲ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಆಟ ಆಡ್ಸೋದು, ಅವಾಗ ದೇ ರಿಮೆಂಬರ್ಡ್ ದೇರ್ ಟೈಮ್ ವೆನ್ ದೇ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಸ್ಪೆಂಟ್ ವಿತ್ ದೇರ್, ಯು ನೋ, ಗ್ರ್ಯಾಂಡ್ ಕಿಡ್ಸ್ ಅವ್ರ ಮಕ್ಳ ಜೊತೆ ಆಟ ಆಡಿದ್ದು ನಾಪಿಸ್ಕೊಂಡು, ದಟ್ 1 hour ದೇ ಫೆಲ್ಟ್ ಹ್ಯಾಪಿ. ಬರೀ ನೆಗೆಟಿವ್ ಥಾಟ್ಸ್ ಇಟ್ಕೊಳ್ಳೋದು, ಓಕೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿದ್ದೀನಿ, ನಾನು ಇದು ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀನಿ ಅನ್ನೋದಕ್ಕಿಂತ, ದಟ್ 1 hour that they spent with me, they felt very relaxed, and they're like, okay. And after I think 5 sessions they were waiting for me.
Okay.
ಓ 11 ಗಂಟೆ ಆಯ್ತು, ಇವಾಗ ಬರ್ತಾಳೆ, ನಾವು ಬೇಗ ಬೇಗ ತಿಂಡಿ ತಿಂದು ಮಾತ್ರೆ ತಗೊಂಡು ರೆಡಿ ಆಗ್ಬಿಟ್ಟಿರೋಣ, you know, she'll make us do something nice. So they got very not emotionally attached, but they were very eager to play, or like, you know, do different things. So more than an outcome, it is that emotional happiness that they, or that relaxation that they get in that 1 hour or post that 1 hour, and our energy na, they will take it forward for the rest of the day. So even in case they have any thoughts, this 1 hour of, you know, relaxation will overpower those thoughts, and, you know, they can probably have a better day, was the idea.
I'm quite sure after you told all the activities, whatever they have, I mean, they'll remember their old days. So they might have enjoyed a lot.
Yeah, it was very nice.
Yeah. Coming to your course again, ivaga ನೀವು 60 hours of internship, what you said is okay. After that ಏನಾದರೂ exam ಇರುತ್ತಾ, or this is the final?
No, that is the end. Andre, while during the classes only, we had offline and online classes. So few hours were online, and again ತಿರ್ಗಾ ಆಫ್ಲೈನ್ ಇತ್ತು. ಆಫ್ಲೈನ್ ಕ್ಲಾಸಸ್ ಇರ್ಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ they did their assessments ಅಲ್ಲೇನೆ ನಮ್ಗೆ. While the last 4-5 hours of our course, we only had evaluations. Evaluations ಆದ್ಮೇಲೆ ನಮ್ಗೆ internship ಸ್ಟಾರ್ಟ್ ಆಗಿದ್ದು. ಸೊ ಎಲ್ಲಾದ್ರದ್ದು ಸೇರಿ ನಾವು ರಿಪೋರ್ಟ್ ವಾಪಸ್, internship ಆದ್ಮೇಲೆ ರಿಪೋರ್ಟ್ ಕಳ್ಸಿದ್ವಿ. We had like one was a internship report, which was very detailed and all, like, you know, technical information, and then there was another report which we submitted, because this is a psychology based course. We had to write our journey in this course. Like namge course ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಹೆಂಗಿತ್ತು ಅಂದ್ರೆ, whatever we have to do as an activity, like in the future for our clients, ನಮಗ್ ಅದನ್ನ experience ಮಾಡ್ಸೋರು. So that once we experience what it feels, we will be able to put it out for other people anta. So when we were put into those sessions, how did we feel, did something change for us,
Okay.
or because we were in the course and outside ಆಯ್ತು, how was your journey through the course, ನಿಮ್ಗೆ internship ಅಲ್ಲಿ we saw a lot of new things which on a general level we wouldn't have seen or heard, or
Okay.
ಕೇಳಿಸ್ಕೊಂಡ್ರು ನಾವು ಅಷ್ಟೊನ್ನೋದಕ್ಕೆ ಇಂಪಾರ್ಟೆನ್ಸ್
Importance
ಕೊಡ್ತಾ ಇರ್ಲಿಲ್ಲ.
ಹಾ.
ಇವಾಗ ಇಂಪಾರ್ಟೆನ್ಸ್ ಕೊಡೋ ಹಂಗಾಗಿತ್ತು. ಸೊ ಅದನ್ನೆಲ್ಲ ಕೇಳಿಸ್ಕೊಂಡ್ಮೇಲೆ ಹೌ ಡಿಡ್ ವಿ ರಿಯಾಕ್ಟ್ ಟು ಇಟ್, ಅಂಡ್ ಅದ್ ನಮ್ ಬಾಡಿಗೆ ಬಂತು, ದೋಸ್ ಇನ್ಫಾರ್ಮೇಶನ್, ಹೌ ಡಿಡ್ ವಿ ಪುಟ್ ಔಟ್ that information once we got it. So
Okay.
adana as a uh, journey we had to put it out as a report.
Okay.
So it was nice experience.
Great. After all your course, internship, exams, everything, what exactly you're doing now? I mean, any workshops kind of a thing? How do you approach people?
So parents are always in a stress that idu heng manage ಮಾಡ್ಲಿ, ಅದು ಹೆಂಗ್ ಮ್ಯಾನೇಜ್ ಮಾಡ್ಲಿ ಇರುತ್ತೆ. So our sessions are to help them work on those things. And also ಇವಾಗ one group of parents usually friends ಆಗಿರ್ತಾರೆ, and one ಮಗು ಬೇಗ ನಡೆದ್ಬಿಟ್ಟಿರತ್ತೆ, ಇನ್ನೊಂದ್ ಮಗು ಬೇಗ ಮಾತಾಡಕ್ ಸ್ಟಾರ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬಿಟ್ಟಿರ್ತಾರೆ. So the parents will see each other and will be like,
Comparing.
ನಮ್ ಮಗು ಯಾಕೆ ಮಾತಾಡ್ತಿಲ್ಲ, ನಮ್ ಮಗು, those developmental concerns will be there.
Correct.
It will, obviously they will learn to walk and talk. I'm sure you are also a parent, you would have
Yes.
seen all of these things, right?
I have
So
seen, yeah.
ಅದು ಆ ತರ ಥಾಟ್ಸ್ ಬಂದಾಗ how to stay calm and help your kid to grow better, instead of putting pressure on yourself and saying, okay, ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಹೋಗೋಣ, ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಹೋಗೋಣ, ಈ ಡಾಕ್ಟರ್ ತೋರ್ಸೋಣ, ಆ ಡಾಕ್ಟರ್ ತೋರ್ಸೋಣ ಬದಲು, if you just stay calm and bond with your child, it can go better anta. So our concept ali, that is one project that we are doing, but otherwise we are doing public workshops,
Okay.
and we're going to different Montessori's where we are working with teachers, because as much as the child stays at home, it is also at the schools.
Okay.
So teachers also give enough time to the with the kids ala. So like maybe if they need a creative ideas to play, connect with the students, or creative ideas to like do something as an activities, adike, or they are also under stress because they are also like
Have
that
to
she's a
engage.
wife or
Correct.
she's a parent, so to work with them. Otherwise to work with different, like I'm going to apartments, because you get a large set of people and do different workshops for like adults and few kids, concerning about simpler things like stress, anxiety, anger management. That's what I've been hearing, that's like the most highlighted points that we see. Those things other ಬಗ್ಗೆ workshops ಮಾಡಿ to, this is also a way where we can spread the concept of dance movement therapy. And also that therapy andre negative concept ಇರಬಾರ್ದು ಅಂತ. It's not that if you're taking therapy you're mentally disturbed person or something. It's just a way to maybe relax and find another way of like leading your life.
Okay.
So yeah, that's the two things I'm doing.
You said apartment na approach ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಾ, and you will take you will arrange a workshop there anta. So apartment ಅಂದ ತಕ್ಷಣ ಡಿಫ್ರೆಂಟ್ ಏಜಸ್ ಆಫ್ ಕಿಡ್ಸ್ ಇರ್ತಾರೆ. ಸೊ ಹೆಂಗೆ ಒಂದ್ ಏಜ್ ಅವ್ರನ್ನೇ ತಗೊಂಡು ಒಂದ್ ಬ್ಯಾಚ್ಗೆ ವರ್ಕ್ಶಾಪ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಾ, ಅಥವಾ ಡಿಫ್ರೆಂಟ್ ಏಜ್ ಅವ್ರನ್ನ ತಗೊಂಡು ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಾ? ಹೌ ಇಟ್ ಇಸ್?
So usually we try to make like an age group so that the concerns will be simpler anta. ಈಗ 6-7 years to 10 years or 12 years ಹುಡುಗರ್ಗೆ ದೇ ಆರ್ ವೆರಿ ಹೈಪರ್ ಆಕ್ಟಿವ್, ಅಂಡ್ ಸಮಟೈಮ್ಸ್ ಪೇರೆಂಟ್ಸ್ಗೆ ಆ ಹೈಪರ್ ಆಕ್ಟಿವ್ನೆಸ್ ಕಡಿಮೆ ಮಾಡೋದು ವಿಲ್ ಬಿ ಅ ಮೇಜರ್ ಕನ್ಸರ್ನ್. Or they'll be starting to like they'll have to start studying, concentration ಇರಲ್ಲ, ತುಂಬಾ ಓಡಾಡ್ತಾ ಇರ್ತಾರೆ, ಏನು ಸರಿ ಕಲ್ತ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಲ್ಲ. So that's the one set of age group. And then maybe 10 to 13-14 until they reach high school. 13 years actually. 10 to 13 ಬೇರೆ ತರ ಇರತ್ತೆ. Maybe they want to improve their creativity or see what they're good at. If they want to get into a hobby, maybe what kind of hobby would they want to do. ಆ ತರ ಇರತ್ತೆ. ಟೀನೇಜ್ ಹುಡುಗರ್ಗೆ ಇಟ್ ವಿಲ್ ಬಿ ದೇರ್ ಕ್ಲೋಸ್ ಟು ಲೈಕ್ ಕಮಿಂಗ್ ಟು 10th ಸ್ಟ್ಯಾಂಡರ್ಡ್. ಅವಾಗ ಅವ್ರ ಬಿಹೇವಿಯರಲ್ ಸ್ಕಿಲ್ಸ್ ಅವ್ರಿಗೆ ಅರ್ಥ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳಕ್ ಸ್ಟಾರ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡಿರ್ತಾರೆ. ವಾಟ್ ಕೈಂಡ್ ಆಫ್ ಅ ಪರ್ಸನ್ ಐ ಆಮ್ ಅಂತ ಅವ್ರಿಗೆ ಗೊತ್ತಿರಲ್ಲ. ಸೊ ಅವ್ರಿಗೆ ಅವಾಗ ಎಮೋಷನ್ಸ್ ಬಗ್ಗೆ ಆ ತರ ಸೆಷನ್ಸ್ ಮಾಡಿದಾಗ ದೇ ವಿಲ್ ಬಿ ಏಬಲ್ ಟು ಅಂಡರ್ಸ್ಟ್ಯಾಂಡ್ ದೆಮ್ ಸೆಲ್ಫ್ ಅಂಡ್ ಫಾರ್ ದೆಮ್ maybe like do a session so that they'll be able to know what they can do next,
Okay.
because eventually they'll come to maybe 10th standard and India is a place where 10th standard bandidya next day notya.
It's a milestone.
Yeah, it's a major milestone, right? So if you help those kids to stay calm and study and figure out what they want to do next, at least to the direction that they would want to go, it will be helpful for them. So that's the next set of audience. And then ade tara extend agi the larger group is the adults. Post 21 to 40 50 is in a whole adult group.
Okay. Yeah.
Yeah.
When you said they'll get a directions, andre you mean to say to opt the career, they'll get some guidance?
Yes.
Okay.
It's mostly self-reflection work. We cannot say, okay, this is what is meant for you or this is not what is meant for you anta nav helakagala. We will give them activities to do,
Okay.
and how they come out of it as a response will give ಅವ್ರಿಗೆ ಒಂದು ಐಡಿಯಾ ಬರುತ್ತೆ.
Okay.
For example, I did a workshop in an apartment. This was while I was doing my internship. I was working with a group of women, and Ali few 2 or 3 of them had a habit. They couldn't say no in general. ಏನರ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರೆ ದಟ್ ಜನದ ಪ್ರೆಷರ್ಗೆ ಅವ್ರಿಗೆ ಇಷ್ಟ ಇಲ್ಲದ್ರು ಹೋಗ್ಬಿಡೋರು, ಮಾಡ್ಬಿಡೋರು, ಆ ತರ ಆಗ್ತಿತ್ತು. ಅಂಡ್ ಅದು ಅವ್ರಿಗೆ ಮೇಜರ್ ಅವ್ರದ್ದು ಕ್ವಾಲಿಟಿ ಅಂತ ಗೊತ್ತಿರ್ಲಿಲ್ಲ. ಗೊತ್ತಿರ್ಲಿಲ್ಲನೋ ಗೊತ್ತಿಲ್ಲ, ಬಟ್ ದೇ ಕುಡ್ ನೆವರ್ ಡೂ ದಟ್. My intention, I didn't know that is a problem for them, because I was meeting them for the first time. And after I did the activity, they said, "Nan yavattu no andirlilla in this activity, because the activity was like that. I ended up saying no, and it felt different." So it is like, okay, this is also something that I can do. ಆ ತರ ಇರುತ್ತೆ. So it will give them ideas. So with that idea, maybe they can direct themselves and try doing something. So atara it's all self work.
Okay.
We will not tell them anything directly. We will put them with activities, and whatever they come up with is when we work next.
Okay. You said ಇವಾಗ ಒಂದು ವರ್ಕ್ಶಾಪ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರಿ ಫಾರ್ ಲೇಡೀಸ್ ಅಂತ, ಅಂಡ್ ಇಟ್ ವಾಸ್ ವೆರಿ ಡಿಫಿಕಲ್ಟ್ ಫಾರ್ ಸಮ್ ಆಫ್ ದೆಮ್ ಟು ಸೇ ನೋ ಅಂತ. ದಟ್ ಯು ಫೌಂಡ್ ಔಟ್ ಇನ್ ದಟ್ ವರ್ಕ್ಶಾಪ್, ಆಯ್ತಾ? ಇವಾಗ ಆ ನೋ ಅನ್ನೋದನ್ನ ಕಲ್ಸಕ್ ಏನಾದ್ರು ಇದೆಯಾ ನಿಮ್ಮ ಹತ್ರ? ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಎನಿ ಮೆಜರ್ಸ್ ಆರ್ ಸೆಷನ್ಸ್ ಏನಾದ್ರು ತಗೊಂಡು?
ಇಲ್ಲ. So what we said is, they said we told no for the first time and it felt different.
Okay.
And then I asked them why it felt different. And I asked, do you feel like saying this no maybe one more time? And this time they were open to trying it. And they said, okay, next time a situation comes up, if I'm not comfortable, I will not follow what other people are doing, but I'll try saying no. Or at least try putting my point, saying, okay, this maybe will not be comfortable for me, so I'll maybe come 30% from my end and I'll only contribute this much. Atara try maadi. Then again I told them to come back to me.
Okay.
And if they feel like doing more and try to figure more things, and we are still in a working process. So
Okay.
And we cannot give more information because clients' privacy rate. So this is just an example that I could say.
Okay. Coming to kids, ಈಗ ತುಂಬಾ ಸೂಪರ್ ಹೈಪರ್ ಆಕ್ಟಿವ್, ನಾಟ್ ಓನ್ಲಿ ಹೈಪರ್ ಆಕ್ಟಿವ್, ಸೂಪರ್ ಹೈಪರ್ ಆಕ್ಟಿವ್ ಇರ್ತಾರೆ. ಒಂದ್ ನಿಮಿಷನೂ ಒಂದ್ ಕಡೆ ಕೂತ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಲ್ಲ. ಓದೋದು ಬರೆಯೋದು ಏನೇ ಇದ್ರು ಅದು ಹ್ಯಾಂಡ್ ರೈಟಿಂಗ್ ಹೆಂಗಾದ್ರೂ ಇರ್ಲಿ, ಐ ಜಸ್ಟ್ ವಾಂಟ್ ಟು ಫಿನಿಶ್ ಇಟ್ ಇನ್ 10 minutes ಅಂಡ್ ಗೋ, ಅಷ್ಟೇ, ಆಟ ಆಡಕ್ ಹೋಗ್ಬೇಕು ಹತ್ರ. ಆ ತರ ಕಿಡ್ಸ್ ನ ಹ್ಯಾಂಡಲ್ ಮಾಡಕ್ ಏನಾದ್ರು ಇದೆಯಾ? ಬಿಕಾಸ್ ಇಟ್ಸ್ ನಾಟ್ ಓನ್ಲಿ ಕ್ವೆಶನ್ ಆಫ್ ಸಹನ, ಅದು ಎಷ್ಟೊಂದ್ ಜನದ ಪೇರೆಂಟ್ಸ್ ಗೆ ಕ್ವೆಶನ್ ಇರಬಹುದು.
Right.
ಸೊ
what we say is, makla hyperactivity, you cannot cut them. The more you cut, or adikinu double ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ. So what we try to help the parents is how long or how different ways can you try to keep yourself calm to handle the hyperactiveness.
Okay.
And maybe you can try playing some activities uh, with your child. So if your child is very hyperactive and you want him to calm down so that he should finish his homework, for example, there are a lot of activities and games actually that you can play with your child, so that their activeness comes down, their hyperness comes down, and then they will be calm, and then you can maybe help them finish their homework, and then they can go on with the next activity.
Okay.
So it's something like that. And playing those games will also increase the bond with the parent and the child.
Okay.
Because sometimes parents are again working, they won't have an entire evening to sit with the kid. That just 10 minutes of that game will make the child feel very connected with the parent.
Parent.
ಸೊ ಅವ್ರು ಆಟೋಮ್ಯಾಟಿಕ್ ಆಗಿ ಹೈಪರ್ನೆಸ್ ಕಡಿಮೆ ಮಾಡ್ಕೋತಾರೆ. ಅಂಡ್ ಒನ್ ಮೋರ್ ರೀಸನ್ that we see is that hyperness is because they're doing different things so that they get the attention of the parents. The core reason sometimes will be just that
Attention seeking.
attention ಬೇಕಾಗಿರತ್ತೆ. So that 5 minutes of game that you play with your child will calm them down immediately, and then they'll be able to do what as you as a parent would want to say.
Okay.
So it's something like that.
Okay. Another big question, and it is a big challenge too. It's not only for kids, for everyone as such. So screen time. ಇವಾಗ ನನ್ನ ಮಕ್ಕಳ ಬಗ್ಗೆ ಅಷ್ಟೇ ಬ್ಲೇಮ್ ಮಾಡೋ ಹಂಗಿಲ್ಲ, ಇವನ್ ದೊಡ್ಡವರು ದೆಲ್ ಬಿ ಆಲ್ವೇಸ್ ವಿತ್ ದ ಫೋನ್ ಆರ್ ಟ್ಯಾಬ್ ಜಸ್ಟ್ ಸ್ಕ್ರಾಲಿಂಗ್ ದ ವಿಡಿಯೋಸ್. ಸೊ ವಾಟ್ ಯು ವಾಂಟ್ ಟು ಸೇ ಇನ್ ಯುವರ್ ಆಸ್ಪೆಕ್ಟ್ ಟು ಕಟ್ ಡೌನ್ ಆರ್
if this is in perspective to children, maybe they say ಹಳೆ ಕಾಲದ ತರ ಚಂದಮಾಮ ತೋರಿಸ್ಕೊಂಡು ಊಟ ಮಾಡು sorts, but try different activities or try conversing with your child, or have a conversation or play small games. ಆ ತರ keep an interactive thing with your child so that ಅವ್ರಿಗೆ ಕಾನ್ಸೆಪ್ಟ್ ಆಫ್ ಸ್ಕ್ರೀನ್ ಇದೆ ಅನ್ನೋದು ಗೊತ್ತಿರಲ್ಲ ಮಕ್ಕಳಿಗೆ. ಸೊ ಇಫ್ ಯು ಸ್ಟಾರ್ಟ್ that from the small age, ಅದು ಆಗಲ್ಲ. But with the current generation, they are already introduced to phones, right? So what we do is we suggest that the moment that screen time comes, give a alternate suggestion that you can do. Maybe you can it again comes to parents saying, see if you can contribute 5 minutes of that time and say, let's do something, or let's go buy groceries and come, or maybe, or you can just go tag along with the game that they usually play, simpler one, or just spend 5 minutes time and sort of distract them with that screen time. So atara marta it generally minimize ಆಗ್ತಾ ಬರುತ್ತೆ. But for adults, laptop is their work, right? So screen time ಅನ್ನೋದು ಅವ್ರಿಗೆ ಕಟ್ ಮಾಡಕ್ ಆಗಲ್ಲ. So what we make them do is we sort of give them creative activities. We make them do to see what else they are interested about.
Okay.
It can even be topic that they like. So they'll figure out something. For example, a person might find out that they have some interest towards maybe journaling, or a woman might have an interest towards a different kind of cooking or something. So avaga we'll say, okay, why don't you read a book about it, or try go out with your spouse or whoever is available, go see something, go attend a workshop, go attend a mela. Atara enara, it'll give them ideas to something, and or just sit and have a conversation with the person so that ibrugu screen time cut agate. So depending on each person's lifestyle will be different, or working hours ಹೆಂಗಿರತ್ತೆ ಏನು ನಮಗ್ ಗೊತ್ತಿರಲ್ಲ. So depending on what the client says, ಅದರ ಪ್ರಕಾರ ನಮ್ದು ಆಕ್ಟಿವಿಟಿ ಸೆಷನ್ ಪ್ಲಾನ್ಸ್ ಅದ್ರ ಮೇಲೆ ಡಿಪೆಂಡ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಸೊ ಅದ್ರ ಪ್ರಕಾರ ನಾವು ಪ್ಲಾನ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡು ವಿಲ್ ಗಿವ್ ದಮ್ ಐಡಿಯಾಸ್.
Okay. In one question, no, ಇವಾಗ whatever you said about the course, I understood, but ಒಂದು ವರ್ಕ್ಶಾಪ್ ಬೇಕು ಈಗ ನಮ್ಮ ಅಪಾರ್ಟ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಆ ವರ್ಕ್ಶಾಪ್ ನ ಕಂಡಕ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಹೌ ಮೆನಿ ಡೇಸ್ ಪ್ರಿಯರ್ ವಿ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಟು ಟೆಲ್ ಯು?
How many days prior ಅನ್ನೋದಕ್ಕಿಂತ what we usually do is we give an intake form, and there are a few questions that we pitch in the
Okay.
intake form, and we see what all the people say, and what age group idare anta,
ಓಕೆ.
and what are they looking for. ಸೊ ಆ ಕ್ವೆಶ್ಚನ್ಸ್ ಎಲ್ಲ ಫಿಲ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ನಮಗೆ ಮೋಸ್ಟ್ ಕಾಮನ್ ಕಾನ್ಸೆಪ್ಟ್ಸ್ ಏನಿರುತ್ತೆ, ಯೂಶಲಿ ಇಟ್ ಇಸ್ ಮೇ ಬಿ ಸ್ಟ್ರೆಸ್ ಆರ್ ಹ್ಯಾಂಡ್ಲಿಂಗ್ ಕಿಡ್ಸ್, ಆ ತರ ಸಮ್ ಇಶ್ಯೂಸ್ ಇರುತ್ತೆ. ಸೊ ಅದ್ರ ಪ್ರಕಾರ ವಿ ಪ್ಲಾನ್ ಅ ಸೆಷನ್ ವಿತ್ ದೆಮ್,
Okay.
ಡಿಪೆಂಡಿಂಗ್ ಆನ್ ದ ಅವೈಲಬಿಲಿಟಿ ಆಫ್ ಆಲ್ ದ ರೆಸಿಡೆಂಟ್ಸ್ ಇನ್ ದಟ್ ಅಪಾರ್ಟ್ಮೆಂಟ್ as well, and then we plan a session.
ಓಕೆ. ಓಕೆ.
ಆ ತರ. Yeah.
ಅರುಣ, ಇವಾಗ ಒಂದು ಬಿಗ್ ಚಾಲೆಂಜ್ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಈಗ ಹ್ಯಾಂಡ್ಲಿಂಗ್ ಟೀನೇಜರ್ಸ್, ಅವರು ಟೀನ್ ಶುರು ಆದ ತಕ್ಷಣ ಅವ್ರ ಬಿಹೇವಿಯರ್ ಸಿಕ್ಕಾಪಟ್ಟೆ ಚೇಂಜಸ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಪೇರೆಂಟ್ಸ್ಗೆ ದೇ ವಿಲ್ ನಾಟ್ ಬಿ ಯೂಸ್ ಟು ಇಟ್. ಅವ್ರು ಇನ್ನೂ ಚಿಕ್ಕವರಿದ್ದಾಗ ಹೆಂಗಿರ್ತಾರೆ ಅದೇ ಒಂದು ಮಾಡೆಲ್ ಪೇರೆಂಟ್ಸ್ ಇರ್ತಾರೆ, ಆದ್ರೆ ಅವರು ಆನ್ ದ ಕ್ಲೌಡ್ಸ್ ಅನ್ನೋ ಲೆವೆಲ್ ಬಿಟ್ಟೋಗಿರ್ತಾರೆ. ಎಲ್ಲ ನನಗೆ ಗೊತ್ತು, ನೀವೆಲ್ಲ ಹಳೆ ಕಾಲದವರು, ನಾವ್ ಈಗಿನ ಕಾಲದವರು, ನಾವು ಜೆನ್ಜೆ ಕಿಡ್ಸು, ನಾವು ಆಲ್ಫಾ ಕಿಡ್ಸು, ಇದೆಲ್ಲ ಶುರು ಆಗೋಗಿರುತ್ತೆ. ಏನ್ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರು ಅದನ್ನ ಇಗ್ನೋರ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಅವ್ರಿಗೆ ಏನ್ ಬೇಕು ಅದನ್ನೇ ಮಾಡ್ತಿರ್ತಾರೆ. ಕೋಪ ಅನ್ನೋದು ಸಿಕ್ಕಾಪಟ್ಟೆ ಬೇಗ ಬರುತ್ತೆ. ಸೊ ಹೌ ಡು ಯು ಹ್ಯಾಂಡಲ್ ದಿಸ್ ಆಂಗರ್?
In my understanding, I think that is the phase where they are discovering themselves. So ಅವ್ರಿಗೂ ಗೊತ್ತಿಲ್ಲ, and obviously they have not seen any situations as such to know, okay, ಈ ತರ ಇರ್ಬೇಕಾ, ನಾವ್ ಹಿಂಗ್ ಬಿಹೇವ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕು, ಗೊತ್ತಿರಲ್ಲ. Like you said, until they enter the teen, they are always in the safe cloud, and they don't try different things or ಏನು ಮಾಡಿರಲ್ಲ, they'll be very protected. So that teenage is when they're trying out different things, and so adike they won't know how to react, and they try reacting in different ways, and then they understand, okay, this is how we should be anta. But in the meantime, I think it's if parents also realize that that is their actual learning stage, and they try to work with the kid to see how it works for them, and anger na henge manage ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. And by managing anger, it is like anger is actually like a end product of a problem. You just react as an anger, but the core thought will be something else. Maybe it can be jealousy, it can be feeling left out, it can be anything. ಅದನ್ನ ಅವ್ರ ಆಂಗರ್ ಮೂಲಕ ತೋರಿಸ್ತಾರೆ. ಸೊ ಇಫ್ ವೆನ್ ಅ ಪೇರೆಂಟ್ ಇಸ್ ಏಬಲ್ ಟು ಅಂಡರ್ಸ್ಟ್ಯಾಂಡ್ ದಟ್ ದೇ ಆರ್ ವರ್ಕಿಂಗ್ ವಿತ್ ದ ಕಿಡ್ and as to what their emotion is actually is, ಅವಾಗ ಪೇರೆಂಟು ಕಾಮ್ ಆಗಿ ವರ್ಕ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ, and even the kid can calmly get to know themselves and explore themselves to see how they would want to be as a person.
Okay.
Yeah.
Because this is a main challenge for most of the parents.
True.
Even that, as you said, 10th standard, public exam, board, ಆ pressure parents ಮೇಲೂ ಇರುತ್ತೆ, and same pressure will be there on the kids also.
True.
So it's very difficult to handle at that
Yeah.
time. Yeah.
If the parent and the child maybe is in an understanding as to how both of them can work, for example their exams itself, I think it can be a easier journey.
Okay.
Yeah.
I'm very curious, since you said you quit corporate job where you were earning handsome salary, and you picked this dance as your profession, and you completed this DMT course and all. So in this situation, how did your parents react, and how did they support you?
Actually, ನಾನು ಕಾರ್ಪೊರೇಟ್ ಸೇರಿದ್ದು just to experience what corporate feels like, and in my head I had told I'll work for 1 year, and then in the meantime let me explore what I want to do in the field of dance. And luckily my parents have been very supportive since I was a child, and they always wanted me to do something in the art field itself, especially my mother. So she always, even though I used to go to office, she always used to see start doing something in the field, so that you'll have a heads up before you quit. and like you can start something by yourself. So 3 years ಹೆಂಗಿದ್ದೆ ನನಗೂ ಗೊತ್ತಿಲ್ಲ, because it just went in the flow. I thought maybe even I got comfortable with the
Yeah.
salary, but then after one point, and I started to get a lot of opportunities in dance, and because avaga work from home option irಲಿಲ್ಲ. This was before COVID.
ಕೋವಿಡ್ ಹಾ
ಸೊ ಆಫೀಸ್ಗೂ ಹೋಗ್ಬೇಕು, ಪ್ರಾಕ್ಟೀಸ್ಗೂ ಹೋಗ್ಬೇಕು, ಅಂಡ್ ಬೇರೆ ಕ್ಲಾಸಸ್ಗೂ ಹೋಗ್ಬೇಕು. ಐ ವುಡ್ ಲೀವ್ ಹೋಮ್ at 5 in the morning, come back by 11. So it started to get very tiring. So that's when I decided that I'll start studying, and then I decided I'll do my masters,
Okay.
and then maybe also start slowly taking classes around my area, so that through my masters I'll also be able to have like a good set of students, so that I'll be able to handle my own expenses anta. And I was not married, so ಆ ತರ responsibilities or ನನ್ನ ಕೈಯಲ್ಲಿ ಇರಲಿಲ್ಲ. So whatever my earning was my saving. So I think I got lucky that way, and thanks to my parents I could take this step. So
it's really a different field altogether, and the combination what you have between dance and this course you got, it's rare combination also.
yeah.
So do you want to give any message to kids who are looking for not kids exactly, who are looking for different courses maybe after SSLC, or do you have any message?
Message ginta, I think if they are open to trying different things, and maybe the parents, and I think the whole initiation comes from the parents, because kids will have a lot of thoughts, they won't know how to streamline it. If parents are able to help them streamline whatever with their thoughts, I think it will be easy for both the parents and the kids
Okay.
to streamline themselves. And I think DMT as a concept is very interesting, and it's very creative. If they try, I think it will actually help them wonderfully. So yeah.
Thanks a lot for this informative and interactive discussion what we had. The informations what you gave was very rare, and parents ಗೆಲ್ಲ ಕರೆಕ್ಟ್ ಆಗಿ ಒಂದು ಹೌ ದೇ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಟು ಬಿಹೇವ್ ವಿತ್ ಕಿಡ್ಸ್ ಅನ್ನೋದು ಒಂದು ಇನ್ಫಾರ್ಮೇಶನ್ ಸಿಕ್ಕಿರುತ್ತೆ. ಅಂಡ್ DMT ಸೆಷನ್ ವಾಸ್ ಕಂಪ್ಲೀಟ್ಲಿ ರೇರ್, ಸೊ ಅದ್ರ ಬಗ್ಗೆ ಇನ್ಫಾರ್ಮೇಶನ್ ಸಿಕ್ಕಿರುತ್ತೆ. ಅಂಡ್ ಪೀಪಲ್ ವಿಲ್ ಡೆಫಿನೆಟ್ಲಿ ಕಾಂಟ್ಯಾಕ್ಟ್ ಯು ಫಾರ್ ಮೋರ್ ವರ್ಕ್ಶಾಪ್ಸ್ ಅಂಡ್ ಡ್ಯಾನ್ಸ್ ಕ್ಲಾಸಸ್ ಎಲ್ಲಾನು. Thanks a lot for coming to Kate Bandi and giving these informations.
Thank you for giving me an opportunity to come and share my thoughts here. And I've been following Kate Bandi for a while, and you guys do a very good job. Hoping to see more such videos from your end.
Our pleasure. Thanks a lot.
Thank you.
ನೋಡಿದ್ರಿ ಅಲ್ವಾ ಇವತ್ತಿನ ಪಾಡ್ಕಾಸ್ಟ್? ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ಏನು ಅನ್ನಿಸ್ತು ಅಂತ ನಮಗೆ ಕಮೆಂಟ್ ಮಾಡಿ ತಿಳಿಸಿ. ಅರುಣಾ ನಾಗರಾಜ್ ಅವ್ರದ್ದು ಕಾಂಟ್ಯಾಕ್ಟ್ ಡೀಟೇಲ್ಸ್ ನಾವು ಡಿಸ್ಕ್ರಿಪ್ಷನಲ್ಲಿ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿರ್ತೀವಿ. ಮತ್ತು ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಪಾಡ್ಕಾಸ್ಟಲ್ಲಿ ನಿಮಗೆ ಯಾವ ಕಾನ್ಸೆಪ್ಟ್ ಬಗ್ಗೆ ಇನ್ಫಾರ್ಮೇಷನ್ ಬೇಕು, ಯಾರನ್ನ ಕರೆಸ್ಬೇಕು ಅಂತ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪೆಕ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಾ ಅಂತ ನಮಗೆ ಕಮೆಂಟಲ್ಲಿ ಹೇಳಿ. ಕತೆ ಬಂಡಿನ ಲೈಕ್, ಸಬ್ಸ್ಕ್ರೈಬ್, ಶೇರ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಪ್ರೋತ್ಸಾಹಿಸ್ತಾ ಇರಿ. ನಮಸ್ಕಾರ.